Hello everyone, this is Natalie again from Serpstat and welcome back to our channel. Before we go ahead and discuss anything about Serpstat, since we're still doing that series, I just want to give you all a quick PSA about our lead generation tool that we have developed here in Serpstat, and it is something that you can use whenever you want white label audits for your website. So to get started on that, all you have to do is head on over to serpstat.com and then fill out this information, and also click on this button so that you can get started. Guide that you can absolutely take advantage of, just in case you're curious about how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month running on autopilot. So if you want to know about that, just leave your name and your email on here as well, and then click on this find out how button, and of course if you want to have a quick look on whatever we got going on in Serpstat, feel free to do so. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on Serpstat, and here you can see the project's dashboard of Serpstat, and on the side here are its main tools. So currently we're still doing keyword research and we're done with SEO research now, so we're gonna go with PPC research. So basically what I've noticed is that throughout the tools you can see repetitive features, but only because they are targeting different aspects of how you can come up with an SEO strategy that would work best for your business. So in terms of this one, it's domain analysis, keyword research, URL analysis, so different analysis on different aspects of your website so that you can get a detailed and a good reflective report of how your domain is doing in terms of SEO. So we're going to be sticking with keyword research for now, and under PPC research, which is pay-per-click, we're going to be opening keywords. So here, just like the previous ones, you're going to have to enter a keyword that is related to the business that you're doing basically. So for us, it's SEO agency, and we have settled with using the UK database, of course, since we are UK based. So these are the paid keywords that are being used by SEO agencies all throughout the United Kingdom. So if you want to take advantage of this and utilize this keywords to your advantage, of course, then you can definitely do so. You also have here some metrics run side by side, ads by keyword, landing pages, keyword difficulty, position, let's scroll to the side, volume, CPC, which is in dollars, and PPC competition. So that's a percentage, I believe. So that's it. Yeah, it actually looks the same across all throughout the different tools. It's just that, like I've mentioned earlier, it tackles different variables or aspects of your domain so that you can have a thorough result or comparison. If ever you want to see or you want to improve on something, then you can definitely just tackle on that one and make use of all the functions that are available here. So yeah, basically that's it for the keyword, the paid keywords feature here in keyword research. So if you're interested in finding out what your corresponding paid keywords are or your competitors' paid keywords, then definitely head on over to Serpstat so that you can get that started as well. Also, I hope you found this video helpful and interesting, and that you leave us with comments about your takeaways or any insight that you may have about Serpstat. Of course, like the video as well, and subscribe here in our channel so that you can get updated whenever we post new videos. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.